Snapshots are powerful markers captured during the scanning process that help you capture important aspects of your space.
They become an integral part of the resulting 3D room model and can include elements like power sockets, lamps, pipes, or any other noteworthy feature in your room.
Snapshots consist of a marker capturing the precise location, a photo with depth information, or scan frame, and additional notes.
Snapshots can be captured at any time during the scanning process. As you scan, identify the key areas that are relevant to you. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find 3 dots. Slide to your left to open the category color section before capturing your snapshot. Here, you can select the color of your snapshots to help you categorize them later.
Use the crosshair in the center of the screen to point your device's camera toward the area or object you wish to capture. Press and hold the snapshot button on the screen for 2 to 3 seconds. This action activates the feature tracker and captures a photo, creating a marker in your scan.
To get the best results, keep your hand steady during this process to capture a clear and accurate snapshot. Also, ensure that no other objects partially cover the marked one.
After completing the scan, you can review the captured snapshots and add notes to them on site, or even correct incorrect colors to enrich your 3D model later in the Metaroom web platform.